Hello, traders. Welcome back again. It's time for the summary of the day. And today was the great day because we made profit of nearly $10,000 during live trading sessions. The first trade was opened during morning session and the profit was $7,814. And the other trade was opened during afternoon session with profit of $1,772, which gives us nearly $10,000 today. So, guys, much better than yesterday because yesterday I had two stop losses, together $2,000. But stop losses for 2,000 and we got profit of 10,000. So I think this is pretty fair. So I want to explain you what we did today on our live trading session. So we're gonna go through those trades. Right here you can see those close position, one position on USD CAD 1,700 and GBP USD 7,800. So guys, I want to explain you what we did today. So let's have a look. This was planned from the morning session. Unfortunately, we were unable to use this plan because the market went a little bit different way. I think we dropped down a little bit lower. That was USD CHF. Another plan. This is gold. I still got pending order on the platform. I will show you. I've still got pending order gold. This is 1 minute time frame. Let me just move to 5 minutes time frame. You can see that pending order is set with the very tight stop loss. The stop loss is only for $1,000, so I'm not risking too much, but I will try to get 1 to 5. So take profit is for $5,000. Okay, so this trade I will leave for another hour, maybe hour and a half. If the trade won't activate, I will just remove it from the chart. So this trade was made, a plan was made during morning session using volume area, using fair value gap imbalance, fixed range volume profile. We got some rotation channel. In this area, we also got volume level, liquidity from Europe session. I want to show you that also. So many different things together in one place gave us nice opportunity for this trade. Let me just show you this gold on 5 minutes time frame. You can see we got volume level, we got some liquidity under this equal lows down the bottom, another liquidity from Europe session right here, and we should enter the trade right in this place. So fingers crossed, I'm gonna wait for that trade. If not, I will just remove it. Okay, next plan was made on USD CAD, and you can see the plan was made using Asian session box, Asian session liquidity. There was reaction in the cluster, and the idea was to go up. But I think the price dropped down from this area, so we didn't have a chance to open that trade. Next one, this plan is from Tomek. Tomek had a plan on GBP USD on 5 minutes time frame. Very similar plan to my plan, but entry much lower. I think we got to that target. The trade was good, but as far as I know, the Tomek didn't open this trade. But anyway, we got nice trade on GBP USD. I will show you that in a second. Another one from Tomek using target, also volume area. The plan was on GBP. Oh, he showed us that the price got to this target right here. Okay. So you can see the plan works perfectly. Another one from Tomek, USD CHF. Tomek was waiting for the breakout through the resistance line, also reaction at the bottom of rotation channel. I'm not sure what happened on USD CHF. If we can still use that plan, I'm not sure. No, not at this moment. Uh, Another one, right here from Tomek, entry after breaking through this trend line, 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That trade and that plan was made during afternoon session. No, that was made during morning session. I'm not sure if Tomek used that plan. We'll have to ask him, but I don't think he used that plan. The next one, also from Tomek, New Zealand dollar. The plan was to break through the cluster, break through the this rotation channel, and full take profit at the target down the bottom. Very nice plan also. And next one, GBP USD. This plan was made by me to get to the target, which is down the bottom. We opened the trade. I've set pending order on this trade because the price was dropping down. I did that on live trading session, so probably you guys seen how I placed this trade. The trade was open. I've set pending order around this imbalance area. The price came back, the trade was activated, and I had better entry than this one. Okay, so I had entry in this place. Stop loss was somewhere around here, and take profit 3.5 to 1. So very nice trade. Better entry gave us more profit. Very good trade on GBP USD. And another one, this one here, a tiny trade. This is 5 minutes time frame. We were using order flow to enter the position. So I was looking for the specific pattern on order flow. We saw that pattern, so I've opened the trade. Few minutes after, we got full take profit. Stop loss was very tight because stop loss was only for like 7 pips and take profit somewhere around 14 pips. So pretty good trade, I can say. So yes, we had also some trades from Pablo. We also got some trades from Pablo. Pablo opened the trade during live trading session, and I think he got some profit, full take profit of $2,000, something like that. I don't have the screen right now. If you've been on our live trading session, Pablo posted this trading plan and full take profit on our Discord chat during our live trading session. So yes, guys, today was pretty good day. We got very nice profits. I told you that I'm gonna make payout last week. I didn't have time. I placed the payout on the other account, so I'm gonna place the payout withdraw in the second because I want to reset this account to normal balance. So I want to withdraw money, withdraw profits of $22,000. And I'm pretty happy that I didn't withdraw because I had 15,000. Now I got 22,000. So I got much more profit to withdraw. And we're going to start fresh tomorrow. And we're going to trade till the end of the month. And by the end of the month, I'm going to place another withdraw on this account. So guys, you can see this account we are using only for live trading sessions. So you can see all the trades during the sessions. We are showing this after the sessions. So you can see how we perform. And if you like to join one of our sessions, you can do that. We got live on YouTube every single day at 9 a.m. So you can join and see how we trade live. And the rest of our sessions are internal for our community. So if you want to be part of our community, don't forget to check the comments. You will find the link. You can contact us also. So guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I will see you tomorrow. We're gonna make some more profits. Take care.